Hello, we're here to eat our lunch.
You're my strongest inspiration.
Ang daming choices. Kaso natikman ko na lahat yung mga ano dito. Ito na lang ang hindi ko natikman. Yan, kaya we'll try this. Come on, let's get inside.
And I thank you for being you.
Sorry for that, smoked jam biscuit and spicy beef biscuit wrapping. This one and this one.
Barbecue and Grill House. So,
Whenever you need me, I'll be by your side.
while waiting for our food and taking a video.
More and more each day. I love
Okay.
you more and more.
You want to try nachos? This is our starter. With avocado, with chili, tomato, and I don't know. So, let's try. It's very cheesy. Avocado. And this is my drink. It's strawberry and watermelon mocktails. While waiting for our main dish, now we are busog. Busog na kami. As our main dish arrived, we have the same order. Steak for the happy hour. Yeah, let's eat, guys. Why it's not for you? Yeah, this is what I like.
And I love you more and more and more each day.
Yummy.
I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being.
Enjoy the food.
I will never let you go. I will never let you go. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love
Want to escape? Yeah.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you
All the
for
rides.
being
TGI Fridays,
You're my
bowling.
sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I
Nando's, Italian, Laser Zone,
it's true.
Cinema,
There's no
Cineworld,
mountain I could not climb as long as
TGI
you are mine.
Fridays,
And I thank
Pizza Express.
for being
Okay, we're going out now. We're going to shopping.
sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love
This is
you.
Escape here in Castle Fort.
There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine.
Gusto niyo bumili ng bisikleta?
For being
Kamo na lang, oh. Sale sila, oh.
I'll be your best friend.
Yan, 180 pounds.
I'll be your guide.
Ride away. It's today, 180 pounds.
Whenever you need me,
What?
I'll be by your side. side.